Guys, so we are back with business of the video cameras. Here is a Sony suitcase. It is written Trinicon on it, and it does contain if I manage to open it, because I did put some scotch over there. It contains one video camera. So this one is the HVC 4000S, the big brother of the famous HVC 3000S that I own also. So this one has a few more features. I will show the other one in the next video. So this one, it is from the early 80s, I believe, or late 70s. It's a Sony, of course. Yes, it has a remote control capacity with a special plug here. It is written here 4000S. Apart from that, I believe it is exactly the same as the 3000. So these cameras are quite easy to use, to power up, in fact, because if you watch inside the plug, you can see the plus and minus is written on it. So at least you know how to power it. And since you power it, you can probe to find the video output. But there is a thing. As is, the camera will not work because it is missing a synchro signal from the VCR module. So for this purpose, they did sell an option with this module called camera adapter. In fact, it turns the special plug of the camera in a more common plug for the time, and at the same time it generates that clock module signal that is missing. So with this box you can power these cameras or use them normally. They work pretty well, in fact. I have had several of them, at least 3 or 4 of them, and all of them have always been working. For now, I did never find a defective one, which is not bad for something such old. And most of the time they are also in very good condition, like you can see on this one. So the special thing also, they will usually come with a carrying box, and there is something special with these cameras. It is the smell you have when you open the box. The plastic does smell very well, and it is a very specific smell to this device, oddly enough. Not a very good smell, but so there is a small module for it, very important. So this is the first one, the HVC 4000. So I will show you in the same video the other ones, so it will be done. I have to go up there to pick up it. So the next one looks very much similar, except for the color of my sticker here. So this one is the 3000 one, I believe. So it will, I have to open it. Okay. So this one Yes, it is the 3000, so it comes with the exact same box. As you can see, it is really much the same. And it is also featuring the remote control plug. So I am not sure of the difference between the two models. Maybe Google could help. Maybe there is one more sensitive or something like this. But they look very much the same. So this one is written SECAM here for the French system. So inside you have a die-cast aluminium structure. You have two big vertical PCBs with little dover boards here. I don't remember if they are this way or this way. And even if the handle you have electronics. They are full of electronics. There is totally packed with electronics inside. So this is for the model 3000. Pretty much the same thing. So if you see these cameras in the flea markets, usually they go for very little money because people do not want them anymore. And they are good collectible cameras if you have some storage space, and you can put 5 or 10 euros. You will get them. Usually I found them around 10 euros. So here is the second one. And now I have something else. So it is not in the original box this time. It is a rip-off of this camera, or a revenge more exactly. It is this thing. It is the Grundig Supercolor FAC 1900s FR. So I believe it is FR for a French label, because everything is written in French. As Grundig is a German brand, maybe you will have another model with DE. So it is very much the same camera, except for the paint color and body color is a little different. It is not black, it is a dark brown. You have all the written things in French here. You have a Grundig plate instead of Sony. You have 3 colors plate here is a little different. You have some metal finish here. Even the fuel vendor is written Grundig. And the manufacturer sticker is written Grundig Supercolor with a serial number. This one has a serial number 700448. So they are very rare. This variant is very rare. And nowhere it is written that it is made in Japan. So it is a revenge model of the same camera. And the other difference is that you have a regular VCR plug, not the Sony plug. So apart from that, they are exactly the same. It is quite weird, in fact, the way they needed to take the exact same model and put their brand on it. Their brand. So the knobs are the same here. The leverette is the same. Zoom is the same. Not sure if the zoom is written with a. There is no nothing written on the zoom. So as the other one, it is exactly the same electronics inside. So you can, on these cameras, you can very easily the viewfinder. There is a lock mechanism. It allows to put them easily in the shipping box, transit box. So here they are for these 3 cameras. I believe there are other models existing. HVC 2000, I believe, did already exist. I haven't got it for now. If I get the 2000 or maybe the 1000 models, I will be set for this collection. So also this one is in very good condition and is working. So it was very awesome quality. Either the materials quality and the electronics quality. They are very strong. The only thing you can have sometimes, you can have some fungus in the lens if it was exposed to moisture, and you can have a damaged pickup tube if it was aimed at the sun or something like this. It can damage the tube, but they are really good stuff. So no autofocus, of course, on these cameras. It was not yet available. So manual focus only, but motor zoom at least. So here we are for this series of video cameras. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.